looks really cute and you don't need to even do anything else. However, if you are designed like, oh my god, I want something executed on it on the top of the backgrounds of a chamfer voice, absolutely, there's no limits of what you can do. You can definitely add more like elements on it as you prefer. And then we're floating this beauty right on the top. And then I love this super cute heart. We're gonna do what I am going to do. I'm gonna add the bows in the middle first, because that is a bow in this design. The bow is going to be is a centerpiece, and you can stop it right here. It looks so adorable. And then add some. You can put a different heart on, cheeky heart, crimson heart, however heart you would like. Can I get my kit stuff? It's okay. My ultimate crystal kits. But I have my AB. It's okay. I got it. That's it. I just want to get a little bit of sparkle stand out. You can keep on and on and on if you want to, but it looks so gorgeous right now. You still able to see the French on it. This is which is that if you're doing a whole set, it will not be all 10 nails unless the clients all want it. But it's all 10 nails, and except the 2 rings finger or 2 accent fingers, gonna make the client's nail or your nail. It looks really cool and it stand out. So here now I'm happy. I am go ahead and secure for 60 seconds.